Hello. Do you know who has come to our class today? Tick, tick, tick. This is elephant. It's a very big animal. Elephant is an big animal. Okay? He has one friend also. Do you know? This is mouse. This is a small tiny little mouse. Both are very good friends. Okay? And do you know the name of the mouse? The name of the mouse is Minnie Mouse. And the name of the elephant is Jumbo Elephant. And do you know where do they live? Elephant lives in a very big house. As you can see, this house is so big, isn't it? This is elephant house, and near his house a big tree is also there. Can you see this big tree? And mouse lives in a very small house. See his house? Yes. And near to his house a small tree is there. So this is big house, this is a small house, this is big tree, this is a small tree. They both decided to go to the market. Do you know for what they want to go to the market? They want to purchase something for their house. So they said, let's go to the market and we will buy something. They said, okay. Now they went to the market and they saw a ball house. So can you see this? It's a ball. It's a football. Can a mouse can play with this? No, because mouse is very small. Okay, then who can play with this? Elephant, because elephant is a big animal. So elephant took this ball. Okay, and this mouse has brought this ball. Okay, can you see this? So this ball is too big and this ball is small. Which cup is big and which cup is small? This is big. This is for elephant. This is small. This is for mouse. Which glass is big and which is small? This is small for small mouse. Okay? And this is big glass is for big elephant. Now they decided to take spoon. Can you see which spoon is big and which spoon is small? Yes, this is small. This is for mouse. And this is big. This is for elephant. Can you see this tray? Which is big? This is big. So this is for elephant. And this is small tray is for mouse. So they finished their shopping and went to the house. Now you know elephant is a big animal and mouse is a small animal. Okay, so that's why elephant has big house and mouse has small house. This is a big tree and this is a small tree, as you can see. Okay, now which glass is big? This is small and this is big. This is big for elephant, this is small for mouse. This is big and which is small? This is small and this is big. Which spoon is big? This is big. This is small. Which cup is big? This is big cup and this is small cup. Which is big? Which is small? Can you see? Both are equal. Okay. Now you tell me which is big, which is small. This is big and this is small. Now from here you tell me which is big, which is small. This is small and this is big. I have 2 rings. Which is big? This is big. Which is small? This is small. Now you know the concept of big and small. In your house, you can search the object which is big and which is small.